Hello guys, Want to this HDR quality in CapCut? Then watch this video till the end. So let's go. Go to Effects and apply Black Flash 2. Now click on Adjust. Set the speed to 11. Intensity to 8. And twist to 31. Now click Duplicate. Go to Replace and select the HDR2 effect. Now click on Adjust. Set Glow to 0, Range to 0, Size to 21, Sharpen to full, and Blur to 0, and Atmosphere 74. Now export the video and open the Wink app. Go to Quality Enhancers, select HD, and add your video. As you can see, our video is now in HD quality. Now export the video again, select Ultra HD, and add your video. Your video is now enhanced. You can now watch this video in Ultra HD quality.